It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 8th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Conditions turning a bit more unsettled for the rest of the week with windy conditions at times today, cooler temperatures, a small chance that we could see some rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm as well. We'll outline the details of that, plus take a look at the weather for the weekend and heading into next week. Yesterday in the valley, 84 degrees, the afternoon high, 56 was the morning low, the normals up to 83 and 57. And outside now here at 9 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies, 68 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 41, humidity 37%, wind from the southeast at 8, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning ranging from 56 at Fort McDowell to 73 at Collier. Across the nation, we've got a ridge over the Gulf, a deep upper low just west of San Diego, 500 millibar heights with this feature, around 550 decameters, and that's very low for this time of year, so cooler temperatures at least, and windy conditions with that small chance of rain as this feature just sits over our area for a while. The watch warning map, we've got flash flood watches across parts of Southern California with that low. Wind advisories for the Dakotas and Minnesota. Some dense fog advisories around the nation as well, but overall, it's relatively quiet, at least right now. Later today, check it out, the convective outlook and enhanced risk of severe storms from St. Louis down to Memphis, Nashville, Indianapolis, Louisville, Kentucky, with the standard slight risk to include places like Birmingham, Tupelo, Mississippi, Atlanta, Georgia, and a marginal risk for many adjacent areas. And here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Notice that donut hole here over south central Arizona with absolutely nothing. That encompasses much of the Salt River Valley, including Metro Phoenix. They don't think we're going to get any rain. Heavier totals upwards of a half inch or so out west, mainly west of the Colorado River Valley. And this is going to be a difficult forecast, and we'll break it down in detail as we look at the models. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run at 2 o'clock this afternoon. All right, there's our upper low west of San Diego. A bit of moisture being drawn in around that feature, but much of that will stay to our west. So, down at the surface, mostly sunny this morning, partly cloudy this afternoon, a slight chance of showers here in the valley, but much of the rain will be west of us, across far western Arizona and southeast California into southern Nevada. Though we can't rule out a shower or an isolated thunderstorm, and because of this cold air aloft with this feature, a thunderstorm could even be capable of producing some small hail. One other thing we're going to see today is increasing winds, gradient winds. With this feature, southwest winds will increase 10 to 25 miles per hour. Could see gusts as high as 35 miles per hour this afternoon, and that may stir up just a bit of blowing dust as well. High temperatures today should be in the upper 70s to near 80. Tonight, slight chance of showers, otherwise partly cloudy, lows mostly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, that low kind of drifts off into southern Nevada, and I would say there's still a small chance we could see a shower here in the valley, but really any precipitation would be confined mostly to the high country of northern Arizona and west of us across southeast California and southern Nevada. Not really looking at much of a chance of rain. We're putting a 10% risk in for tomorrow, and that's about it. High temperatures cooler though, and it will be breezy at times, upper 60s and low 70s. The forecast remains tricky as we go into Friday. You know what they say, a cutoff low is a weatherman's woe, and especially in this time with decreased air travel, we just don't have as much reliable model data to go with. But for Friday, we do think that the low will move east across Arizona. So, partly sunny skies, a slight chance we could see some showers and thunderstorms in here. This is probably the best chance we're going to have for precipitation during the forecast period. And high temperatures will still be on the coolish side. Highs pretty close to 70. All right, by the weekend, that feature does move out of here, and temperatures should rebound a bit, mostly sunny on Saturday, mid and upper 70s. Could get back into the low 80s on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. Now on Monday, a pretty broad trough is well advertised to dig across the eastern half of the United States. A surface boundary may try to backdoor its way into the region here, and that could give us at least a very small chance of a shower on Monday. So we're going to put, that 10% chance back in. High temperatures holding in the upper 70s and low 80s. Pretty much the same deal on Tuesday. We'll take the chance of rain out, though. Mostly sunny skies and highs upper 70s and low 80s. All right, here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 15th of April. And there's a little weak low that's out there west of San Francisco, dropping down the eastern side of a broad ridge over the northeast Pacific. Got a big trough across the eastern half of North America. And so we're kind of between all of that. A dry northwesterly flow, high temperatures pretty close to average, maybe just a couple of degrees below normal. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Friday the 17th, another low moving through the region. That would bring unsettled and cooler conditions if this verifies, but 10 days out, especially given the challenges of our forecast right now, that is likely to change. All right, checking out the temperatures off the national blend of models. Yep, we cool it off. It's got us in the low mid 70s tomorrow, Friday, and even into the weekend, and then warming up for next week. Highs getting closer to average. In fact, going above normal, if that's right. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate it. Be safe out there, everybody, and you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.